Prorealtime versus MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 remains a veteran platform, favored global for forex trading, known for its lightweight structure, fast execution, and compatibility with thousands of brokers. It's scriptable using MQL4 and supports a massive ecosystem of indicators, expert advisors, and copy trading services. Meanwhile, ProRealTime stands out as premium browser-based charting and trading platform offering institutional-grade visuals, deep market scanning tools, and advanced scripting via ProReal code. MT4 is free to use through most brokers and runs well even on older hardware, making it accessible for beginners and algorithmic traders alike. ProRealTime, while available for free and delayed mode, really shines when unlocked via live data subscription or through broker partnerships like IG or Interactive Brokers, offering real-time data feeds, backtesting, and automated trading integration. The charting quality is massive differentiator. MT4 interface look dated in 2025 with basic chart styles and limited UI flexibility, whereas Pro Real-Time offers multi-monitor setup, auto-save templates, drawing procession, and even tick-by-tick price replays a goldmine, technical analysis, and price action traders. In terms of scripting, MT4 or MQL4 is powerful but rigid requiring deep coding knowledge, while ProRealTime's ProBuilder and ProBacktest allow more visual scripting and intuitive automation, even for non-programmers. If you're into automated strategies, both platforms deliver, but ProRealTime backtesting engine is far more visual and transparent. With walk-forward testing, Monte Carlo simulations, and equity curve analytic built right in MT4, while flexibility with third-party boots often requires extra plugins and doesn't offer built-in advanced analytic unless added manually. When it comes to broker compatibility, MT4 dominates nearly every Forex and CFD broker supports. It will countless signal service VPS integrations, and mobile apps. Pro Realtime supports fewer brokers but focus on deep integration, especially with regulated EU-based brokers, offering direct markets, access DMA to stocks, futures, and indices. On mobile, MT4 has lightweight apps for Android and iOS, great for managing trades on the go. Pro real-time mobile versions, while more detailed, is best for reviewing analysis rather than live execution. In terms of users type, MT4 fits scalper, algo traders, and forex purists who want speed and flexibility with minimal fluff. Pro real-time appeals to swing traders, technical analysts, and multi-asset traders who are about visual clarity, order book depth, and chart efficiency. Look at the community and support. MT4 has endless tutorials, forums, and expert advisors available online. Pro Realtime has strong niche community, particularly in Europe, with ProRealCode.com offering excellent resources, code sharing, and custom indicators development. And now in 2025, ProRealTime has rolled out AI-assisted pattern recognition, automated alert generation, and volume profile tools, giving it cutting edge and advanced in analysis, while MetaTrader 4 remains laser focused on speed and order execution. Ultimately, if you are building a high frequency trading system tied into MetaTrader brokers and prefer the flexibility of third party tools, MetaTrader 4 is still your go to. But if you are discretionary or systematic trader who values ultra price charting, visual strategy planning, and top tier analytic, Pro Real Time offers a more refined experience. Diving deeper into data quality and execution, we see another major difference between Pro Real Time and MetaTrader 4. Pro Real Time is prized for its high quality and filtered market data, especially when connected to providers like interactive brokers or Euronext. Traders using Pro Real Time benefits from true tick data, precise candle builds, and accurate volume statistic, crucial for price action, order flow, and volume-based strategy execution. On the other hand, MetaTrader 4 data depends entirely on the broker. Some offer reliable feeds but many comprise of filter tick, which can lead to inconsistencies during backtesting or scalping. This makes Pro Real-Time far more trusted for traders who need data precision for backtesting and live decision making. Now, let's look at the execution logic. MetaTrader 4 routes orders through your selected broker's dealing desk or ECN, and while it's fast, it may introduce slippage or recoats depending on the broker's execution model. Pro Real-Time, especially when linked to direct market access brokers, offer real exchange level execution, which is essential for those trading futures, indices, or equities with exacting requirements. It also offers link conditional orders, multi-leg bracket system, and better version trade management on chart. In terms of strategy development environments, MetaTrader is best suited for users compatible with code, particularly those building expert advisors that requires precise control over entry or exit logic and variables. However, its visual feedback is limited. You typically need third-party plugins to see equity curves or visual backtest output. Pro Real Time, by contrast, is incredibly visual, and even the coding environment gives you dynamic output graphs, detailed logs, performance metrics, and chart embed trade simulation results. This makes it much easier to iterate and optimize strategies visually, especially for discretionary traders or strategy developers who prefer low-code environments. So, the final verdict? It's not about which one is better universally, but which one fits your trading style, asset class, and tech needs. Whether you're running AS or MT4 or scanning breakout levels with Pro Realtime's Pro Screener, both platforms offer powerful but very different paths to trading success. So that's it.